A youth was trashed by a group of people in Bhiwandi over a social media post allegedly supporting suspended Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson Nupur Sharma, who made controversial remarks against Prophet Muhammad. The incident took place in Kesar Bagh area of Bhiwandi on Sunday when a large number of people gathered at the residence of Saad Ashfaq Ansari, an engineering student, and thrashed him. Saad, in a social media post, allegedly supported Nupur Sharma's controversial remarks. Soon after Saad's post went viral on social media, some people came to his house and sought an apology from him for hurting the sentiments of a particular community. Following the incident, Bhiwandi police reached the spot to bring the situation under control. Police registered a case against Saad for inciting religious sentiments and took him into custody. Meanwhile, Bhiwandi City Police summoned Nupur Sharma and asked her to appear for inquiry on Monday for a matter pertaining to a controversial religious remark.
काम तो वैसे ही नहीं है और आपका दस्तक भी उड़ा हुई है अल्लाह से मांग अल्लाह से कलमा पढ़ ले कलमा पढ़ पहले तो कलमा पढ़ पहले दवा भाई नहीं एक बंदा है